You might have heard about the government's decision to reverse its plan to issue title deeds for unserviced stands, including those in Epworth. Let's break it down. Back in the day, Zimbabwe had a massive land redistribution program. Land was taken from large commercial farms and given to local farmers. This was meant to correct historical injustices, but it led to a lot of complications. Fast forward to 2024, the government announced plans to formalize land ownership by issuing title deeds for unserviced stands. So why the reversal? The main issue is infrastructure. Unserviced stands lack basic amenities like water, electricity, and proper roads. Issuing title deeds without first providing these essential services could lead to chaos. Think about it. Who wants a piece of paper saying they own land when they can't even get clean water or power? The reversal also comes amidst a lot of political pressure. There are arguments that issuing title deeds now could create a legal mess. Some stands were allocated under controversial circumstances, and legitimizing ownership might open a can of worms. Economically, the government also has to consider the cost. Upgrading infrastructure in these areas is expensive. With Zimbabwe's current financial situation, the funds needed to service these stands just aren't there. But what does this mean for the people living in these areas? Many are left in limbo, uncertain about their future. Without title deeds, they lack security and legal backing over their homes. It's a tough spot to be in. This reversal has sparked a lot of debate and frustration. For many, it feels like a step back. They were promised ownership and security only to have it snatched away. In conclusion, while the idea of issuing title deeds is great in theory, the reality on the ground in Zimbabwe is complex. Infrastructure, economic constraints, and political challenges all play a role in this decision. As always, the hope is that a balanced solution can be found that benefits everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and stay informed.